What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel on, well, a cold and snowy day. I've got a little bit of a problem I need to solve, or at least try to solve today, and that would be a flat tire. So yesterday what happened was it got really cold, dropped temperature pretty fast, and started snowing. So that quick change in temperature made my tire, which already wasn't in very good condition, lose the rest of its air. So I had to park it in the driveway because I had to go to work. But today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try and fill it with enough air to drive over to a tire shop and have them patch whatever leak is in the tire. But yeah, let's get right to it. So, that was relatively simple to air up. I might actually leave it for a little bit before I go to the shop to see if it holds the air, but it looks like it's doing okay right now. I don't really want to check for bead leaks or anything because it's cold outside and I don't want to deal with that right now. But yeah, this tire is probably going to need replaced pretty soon. That patch will just be for some temporary usability, but like, this tire's been through a whole lot. Like, I ran over a nail with it, and down here there's if you guys can see, there's a chunk taken out of it where I hit something on the road one time. So yeah, that one wheel in the back is probably pretty much done for. Also, all the wheels on all four corners are pretty well used, so I should probably switch them out with some all-season tires, because I want to make these wheels my winter wheels and then get some new wheels eventually, probably in the spring or summer, as my kind of show or good weather wheels, and put some really sporty tires on those. So yeah, I'm gonna take the M3 to the shop now to get the tire patched up. And if you guys have any all-season tires that you really like, that you think I should try on this car, let me know down in the comments, because that's really what I want to know. That's why I did this video, is to get some feedback from you guys on what all-season tires you like, because I'm going to be replacing all four corners of this car pretty soon. So let me know that. Make sure to leave a like if you liked the video. Make sure to check out all my other content and subscribe if you enjoy it. And I will see you guys in the next one. As always, enjoy the road.